Hi, welcome to Scarlet Blue. My name is Gabby and I've been fitting for over 10 years. Today I'm going to talk to you about how your Balconette bra should fit. Balconette bras give you great lift and shape. With an open neckline and straps that are set wide, this is a perfect bra for a special occasion or to wear with any outfit. Here's 3 quick tips to ensure you have the right fit. Is your center gore laying flat against your skin? If not, most likely your cup is too small. Your wires should be clearing your breast tissue. If you're feeling any digging in or bulging on the top of the cup, most likely your cup is too small. You want to make sure that your band is snug and parallel to the ground. We want to make sure that we're starting on the outer hook. If you're on the first or second hook, most likely your band is too big. Now I'm going to teach you how to fit yourself at home. We're going to start with your band size. You're going to place the measuring tape directly under your bust line with a tight squeeze, ensuring your arms are down. To get your cup size, you're going to place the measuring tape at the fullest part of your breast with a loose fit. Be sure to check out our fit guide.